But if I tell you say e get one hidden forest wey dey inside Oyo State, where people dey run massive drug factory wey fit pass wetin you dey see for some Hollywood crime movies, you go believe am. Wait first, how Mexican drug experts take find themselves inside this particular forest wey dey inside Oyo State? For Nigeria, who bring am come sef? How long dem don dey operate wey nobody even notice dem? We dey talk say Fulani bandits no allow Oyo State people rest. Now dem don get better drug baron wey no from Nigeria wey dey terrorize dem inside that forest. And the most shocking part be say the things wey NDLEA discover for that forest fit make your mouth open. We are talking about billions of naira worth of chemicals, factory machines, drums upon drums of suspicious substances, and one international drug cartel operating right inside Nigeria. This story get as e be, and trust me, e gets more shocking things as we dey go. So, e never even reach 1 month wey dem discover one massive meth laboratory wey dey inside Ogun State forest. Another one now don show face for inside Oyo State. This time na for Tapa village forest for Ibarapa, North Local Government area. And according to NDLEA, this one no be small backyard operation o. This one na full industrial scale drug factory wey dem hide deep inside the forest. While many people dey think say na only farming and hunting dey happen inside forest, some people don turn forest into drug manufacturing headquarters, and the operation no be local matter at all. According to NDLEA, they arrest about 5 major suspects during their raid. But now one particular suspect catch everybody attention. A 56-year-old Mexican drug expert identified as Jose Villa Ochoa. NDLEA say the man was allegedly brought into Nigeria specifically because of his expertise in producing methamphetamine on a large scale, meaning say this operation no be play. This na international business. Alongside the Mexican experts, 4 Nigerians were also arrested. According to investigators, them allegedly handled logistics, local coordination and protection for the operation. Now wait until una hear this particular one. Wetin security operatives find inside the facility. My people, when NDLEA forensic team entered the site, e be like say they enter one chemical manufacturing company. Drums everywhere, chemicals everywhere, machines everywhere. The quantity of materials wey they recover no be here o. Dem discover huge quantities of highly controlled chemicals wey they use for this meth production. Massive industrial drums wey get plenty chemical substances, hundreds of bags of caustic soda, several containers of sulfuric acid, more containers of tartaric acid, and plenty other industrial chemicals inside this bush. But the real shocker be the equipment wey dey inside this bush. This no be place where somebody dey mix substances inside buckets. This NDLEA people then discover reactor ports, distillation units, industrial mixers, condensers, and even specialized drying machines wey they use process drug crystals. In simple terms, this place they allegedly set up to manufacture drugs on a very large scale, the type of operation wey fit produce huge quantities over time. Now the reason why NDLEA describe them as an industrial scale clandestine laboratory, make we reason this matter together. How all of this heavy machine take enter this forest safe? How these big drums, them chemicals, equipment get transported inside this forest? Who they fund this operation safe? How many more hidden facilities like this we fit find inside the same country, Nigeria? Anyway, the NDLEA chairman don't come out talk say no matter where they hide for inside this country, Nigeria, whether na for city o abi na for forest o, the agency could continue to track them down and dismantle their operation. This latest discovery shows just how sophisticated some of these criminal networks have become, because we're no longer talking about small-scale dealers, we're talking about organized international syndicates allegedly bringing foreign specialists into Nigeria and setting up large-scale production facilities. The implications are just huge for security, for public health, for communities, and for the country's fight against illicit drugs. Thankfully, NDLEA says the facility has now been dismantled and investigations are continuing. And here's where I want to hear from you. Were you surprised to hear that a Mexican drug expert was allegedly operating from a forest in Oyo State? Do you think there are more hidden drug factories scattered across different forests in Nigeria? And what more should security agencies do to stop these international drug networks?
Follow here.
What type of water? Distilled water? What type of water?
Normal water.
What do you use it for?
I will tell you this way.
To do what?
To do what? But I know it's not normal. Because me, sometimes I use like let's be I want to know what I want to use.
What's this? Focus. Wait. Open it. What's this? Is this dangerous or not?
That's it.
Distillation.
Open the
So what is it? Is there something inside? There's something there. Something inside? Is there something inside?
No.
It's empty?
I don't know nothing because that yesterday.
Come on.
Give an envelope.
Envelope. Okay? Cooking pot. Where they used to cook meat. Evaporator. Where they crystallize the substance. Don't close it. Oh, please help us open this thing. Be careful. Things are not with blood. Where are your hand gloves? They should give us hand gloves. Okay? What's there? Open it open. Let's look at this one. Okay. The same thing with that. This the same. Okay. Let's open this one. Enter. Any extra no smart? Yeah.